Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're talking about how to solve maintenance error in PUBG Battlegrounds and what you can do when this message suddenly appears on your screen. Step 1. First, make sure the servers are actually under maintenance. You can check the official PUBG website or visit their community announcement page to confirm any ongoing updates or scheduled downtime. Step 2. If there's no official maintenance, try restarting your game client completely. Close PUBG, log out of Steam or Epic Games, and launch the game again after a few minutes. Step 3. Make sure your game is fully updated. Open your game launcher, right-click on PUBG, and select Updates or Verify Game Files to fix any broken or missing files. Step 4. Clear your system's DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type ipconfig, flush DNs, and press Enter. This can resolve any temporary network glitches. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue.